I teach the BS chorus. I teach it so that my students go through the whole thing twice. So there are 4 sections to the BS chorus, and we go through the first 4 sections, and then we go back to the beginning and start with the time steps again. And the second time through, there's a little bit of a change to the over the top. You're not going to do the full over the top section. You're going to basically do 1.5 times through on the over the tops, and then you're going to do some trenches at the end. Okay, you have learned pretty much the entire BS chorus at this point. But there is another little thing that we do with the BS chorus when you are bringing it home, as I say, which means wrapping it up and finishing the number. And that is, you don't do the complete set of over the tops, and you replace it with some trenches. So a trench is basically when you jump on one foot and you drag the other foot to the back. And there's a few different variations on trenches. You will sometimes see them done where people will do it along the side of their foot, kind of like we do in over the tops. I have never been comfortable with that. It just doesn't feel right to me, and I've never been able to get myself to really do those. Sometimes you'll see them where they go straight back. Sometimes you'll see them even with a little, what we call grab off or pick up as you switch feet to get an extra sound in there. So I'm going to be doing sort of traditional, just kicking to the back trenches. The trenches are relatively slow. They're called trenches because it's almost as if you were trying to dig a trench in the ground where your feet are rubbing back. Okay, so the combination of over the tops and trenches, you are going to do your first complete set of over the tops just like you did in the first verse. Step, slide, hop, step, slide, hop, tip, hop, step, slide, hop, step, slide, hop. Now the second set, you're only basically doing half of it. Step, slide, hop, step, slide, hop, tip. Then you do 4 trenches. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so let's walk through that whole thing again. The over the top section on the last verse of the BS chorus is going to be 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, slide, hop, step, slide, hop, tip, hop, step, slide, hop, step, slide, hop, step, slide, hop, step, slide, hop, tip, trench, 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 trench. Okay, let's do that one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, step, slide, hop, step, slide, hop, tip, hop, step, slide, hop, step, slide, hop, step, slide, hop, step, slide, hop, tip, trench, 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 trench. Five, 6, 7, 8. Step, slide, hop. Step, slide, hop, tip, hop, step, slide, hop, step, slide, hop. Step, slide, hop. Step, slide, hop, tip, trench, 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 trench.